This channel recently got 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. I appreciate you are following this channel. It means the world to me. Hi everyone. The Spanish word of the day is basura. Basura. This is a Spanish noun and it means trash or garbage. In some situations, it could mean that something is rubbish or that someone is scum. Essentially, it could be an insult if you tell someone basura. Basura is a feminine noun. So you can say la basura or una basura. And it doesn't have a plural form. Some Spanish verbs useful to learn when using the word basura are echar, tirar, or botar. This essentially means to throw garbage. Echar basura, botar basura, tirar basura. Now let's see a few examples using basura. Echa la basura en ese bote. Echa la basura en ese bote. Tira la basura en su lugar. Tira la basura en su lugar. Ayúdame a sacar la basura. Ayúdame a sacar la basura. Ese tipo es una basura. Ese tipo es una basura. La comida en ese restaurante es una basura. La comida en ese restaurante es una basura. La película fue una basura. La película fue una basura. Esta calle está llena de basura. Esta calle está llena de basura. Okay, that was the word of the day. As you can see, you can use basura in different situations. It could be an insult or you're just referring to garbage. Okay, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Leave me more examples down below using basura. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!